Hey people, welcome back to the tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how you can access or view a private Instagram account. So this is a full step-by-step guide for you. And if you really found this video helpful, please leave a like button for this video. And now we're going into Instagram application and go to your targeted account. Now there is two ways to view a private Instagram account. The first one is go to three dots on the right corner and copy a profile URL and go back to browser and search for glassadigram.com, and this is a platform where you can view a private Instagram account. So scroll down and click on watch now, then go to private, next, and paste the URL that you copied. And now here you have to create an account. After creating an account, you see this page. Now the developers or the team of Glassadigram may release a free trial plan, so you have to wait until then, or you have to pay to access this platform, and this is the first one. And the second way to view an Instagram account is to better follow them and send a follow request. That's how you can access a private Instagram account. Please really follow these steps clearly. Okay, thanks for watching, and more videos like this, please subscribe our channel. Thank you guys.